Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the topic Most Expected Questions from Disaster Management in India. First question. An active volcano, Mauna Loa, is located in Option A Hawaii, USA, Option B Brazil, Option C Japan, Option D none of the above. Answer Option A Hawaii, USA. Second question. Which of the following diseases appeared as public health concern in the last quarter of 20th century? Option A HIV, Option B Ebola virus, Option C Escherichia coli 0157-H7, Option D all of the above. Answer Option D all of the above. Third question. Which of the following volcanoes is known for its most destructive volcanic eruption in recorded history? Option A Mount Kilimanjaro, Option B Mauna Loa, Option C Krakatoa, Option D Mount St. Helens. Answer Option C Krakatoa. Fourth question. Bhopal gas disorder is a kind of Option A natural disorder, Option B man-made disorder, Option C none of the above, Option D both. Answer Option B man-made disorder. Fifth question. What is Ring of Fire? Option A belt of volcanoes in the Circum-Pacific region. Option B belt of volcanoes in the mid-continental region. Option C belt of volcanoes in the mid-Atlantic region. Option D none of the above. Answer Option A belt of volcanoes in the Circum-Pacific region. Sixth question. Which of the following rivers in Tripura experience tide? Option A Gamti, Option B Fenny, Option C Haura, Option D Kowai. Answer Option B Fenny. Seventh question. Who is known as the father of modern seismology? Option A Charles Richter, Option B R.D. Oldham, Option C W.M. Davis, Option D none of the above. Answer Option B R.D. Oldham. Eighth question. The National Disaster Management Authority is headed by Option A Prime Minister of India, Option B President of India, Option C Governor of States, Option D Chief Minister of States. Answer Option A Prime Minister of India. Ninth question. Volcanoes are generally found where? Option A intraplates pull apart or coming together. Option B tectonic plates pull apart or coming together. Option C earth crust pull apart or coming together. D none of these pull apart or coming together. Answer Option B tectonic plates pull apart or coming together. 10th question. Volcanic erupted material when inside the hill, earth or mountain, it is called Option A lava, Option B magma, Option C lahars, Option D none of these. Answer Option B magma. 11th question. International Tsunami Information Center is located in option A. Honolulu, option B. Goa, option C. Jakarta, option D. Puducherry. Answer option A. Honolulu. 12th question. Which of the following is not a man-made hazard? Option A. Leakage of toxic waste. Option B. Wars and civil strife. Option C. Drought. Option D. Environmental pollution. Answer option C. Drought. 13th question. The vector of Zika virus is option A. Aedes aegypti, option B. Aedes albopictus, option C. Both, option D. None of these above. Answer option C. Both. 14th question. Generally, the number on Richter scale ranges between option A 0 and 6, option B 0 and 9, option C 1 to 5, option D 1 to 12. Answer option B 0 and 9. 15th question. Disaster management includes option A. Mitigation, option B. Reconstruction, option C. Rehabilitation, option D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. 16th question. Tsunamis can occur only during option A. Evening, option B. Afternoon, option C. Any time of the day or night, option D. Morning. Answer option C. Any time of the day or night. 17th question. United Nations Disaster Management Team are responsible for solving problems resulting from disaster in option A. Asia, option B. Africa, option C. Australia, option D. All continents. Answer option D. All continents. 18th question. In India, National Institute of Disaster Management is located at option A. Manipur, option B. Punjab, option C. Hyderabad, option D. New Delhi. Answer option D. New Delhi. 19th question. A disease that becomes unusually widespread and even global in its reach is referred to as option A. Epidemic, option B. Pandemic, option C. Spanish flu, option D. Hyperendemic. Answer option B. Pandemic. 20th question. Zika virus is related to which of the following diseases? Option A. Dengue, option B. Yellow fever, option C. Japanese encephalitis, option D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.